Hello and welcome to Lesson 3 in our Electrons and Atoms unit. Lesson 3 is all about review. So over the past couple of weeks we've been diving into this idea of the electron, and we've looked at where those electrons are. We've compared the Bohr model with that quantum mechanical model. We've seen that electrons aren't too easy to really pinpoint where they are, but we can base it on probability. And then we wrote some electron configurations. We moved on till chapter 13 and looked at the idea of a wave and studied wavelengths and frequencies and energy levels of the different waves in the electromagnetic spectrum. We looked at atomic emission spectra, and we finished up with that photoelectric effect. So now it's time to tie all those things together as you prepare for our summative test. So remember, on Edify you have some resources gathered all in one nice place here in Lesson 3. You have another full copy of our notes, the PowerPoint that we've gone through in class. You have the Chapter 13 review sheet that was passed out to you, and here's an electronic conversion in case you would like to be able to type out your answers and organize things that way. And then finally there's the answer key folder that will bring you to each chapter in terms of the answer key. So make sure you check out this electron answer key folder and all the worksheets that are found inside of there. Also remember those lesson quizzes that you've taken, the Lesson 1 quiz and the Lesson 2 quiz, and you should have received some recommended resources from Edify based on the questions that you got wrong. So make sure you check out those resources, see if they're helpful for you to understanding. Remember that you can take those quizzes up to 3 more times as well if you find that that's helpful, and you can also take the review quiz in Lesson 3. This one's optional, the other 2 aren't, which combines elements of Lessons 1 and 2. Also, don't forget about all those extra resources that were posted at the end of Lesson 1 and Lesson 2. Find those topics that you still struggle at and look at some of those additional resources, the videos, the web pages, the animations, and hopefully you can help to clear things up on those standards. Also, don't hesitate to come and talk to your teacher. Office hours is always a great time to do that as well. Let us know how we can help you as you prepare for the summative test of electrons in atoms. Good luck!